Today I'm going to compare a Pro chainsaw that is gas powered to these two battery powered chainsaws, and this one is considered a Pro, and I think this one also, but this one is a bit older. It's the 536 LEXP, and this is called the 540i XP, and this one got a new new chain, but it's sharpened once, and this one's got a chain that's been sharpened a couple of times, but it's recently sharpened, like right now. And this one got a brand new chain. So let's see how they stack up to each other on this log that I got here. 6 inches or about 15 centimeters that way, and like 4, it means 5 or something, blah blah blah. I don't know that measuring system really good. It's almost the same.
Du kör inte så här ner och upp?
Nej.
Då ska du bara ha 4 millimeter.
Jaha.
Har du sett det?
Jag är ingen proffs, jag är alldeles för noggrann. I'm going to analyze the footage when I edit this movie, but it felt like this one was the fastest. It's I mean, I would definitely be able to use this instead of that one. This one was considerably slower, so I wouldn't want to change out a gasoline saw for this one. I think this one is actually considered a good one, but this one, I wonder if Håkan will miss it if I just take it with me. Okay, anyway, thank you for watching, and the winner of this contest will be in the